Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going to show you the new tool that I have acquired lately, which is the BeaverCraft Tools Bushcraft knife. And this one is really a beauty and has everything one can desire in a bushcraft knife. Let me show you. First of all, the looks, the leather, the quality, the craftsmanship are amazing. Really amazing. First of all, let's start with the sheath. The sheath is real leather, very thick leather, very strong, have a very good closure here, and also one can make it with two positions. You can either put the belt from here like this, or you can put the belt like this. I prefer it the second, because when I sit down, this one can go wherever I need it to be. Has a nice logo etched to it. Look, it's quality. Here, it's very simple and very classic. The latch, you just open, and like this, you get the knife out. And what a knife, eh? The knife is 3.5 millimeter thick, which is really strong. It has a full tang, so it has the metal all the way to the back. You can put a lanyard at the back. The grip is very ergonomic. One cannot ask for a better grip, as if it was custom made for me. This is tool steel, if I'm not mistaken. I will put under, because I'm not so technical. The shape of the blade is amazing, very sharp. It has these edges on the back, and you can even use it with the fire steel to make fires. Yeah? And look at the quality. This came from Ukraine. I never heard from a company from Ukraine, and this company makes tools. And at first, when they contact me, the very thing that got me sold was that they make tools. If they make carving tools and wood tools, imagine how good quality their steel is. Also, the price of this knife is very, it's crazy, because it's around $50-60 or euro, something like that. But when I see knives like this, normally cost 200 euros, eh? And with this quality, because even the wood is not simple wood. And I waited to do the review because I had to test it out. I think it's my dream knife that I always wish to have. Eh? But now I will get out of the tent and let's put it to the test. Eh? Having a nice knife is one thing, but at the end it must be good, because nice is not enough. So I got a couple of real logs. I take my knife out from the sheath. It's very easy here, like this. So, and the first thing I'm going to try is if I butt on this one, if it will do its job or not, because I need some kindling for tonight's fire. So, what we're going to do, we place the knife on top like this. We get a nice bulky wood. And like this, and you see, nothing happened to my knife. Well, let's check the edge. It stays nice and sharp. So, and this was some hardwood, and this is good to make kindling. So you keep breaking these parts small and small, so when I make the fire it will be much easier. Eh? So let's try again. So first test is okay. Now let's check it out like this. Well, what I'm going to do, I will break this one now, very small, like this. Remember, having a full tang always helps, huh? Well, let's break it in half, like this. And I think this is called a feather stick, what I'm trying to do, like this. Remember, I'm no expert in this, huh? But let me try. Well, being a complete amateur, look how thin these are getting, huh? And it's very sharp, huh? Look how good it is. I really like this knife, huh? Remember, having a full tang makes it much stronger, huh? Because it will not break, because it's whole steel, huh? And it's very, very sharp. This is a 90-degree edge, so it's very good for fire starting, huh? You see? So, BeaverCraft tools, big thumbs up, for me. A part of doing a beauty, very ergonomic, and it's very strong. It is what claims to be. Very strong, very comfortable, and a heck of a knife. Big well done, eh? Also, at the end, I will put a link to this knife. Anybody is interested, and you see by yourself what good quality they have, eh?